Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So how are you doing, you all? So today I'll be talking about advanced English that can really help you to improve your English. So I hope all of you done fine. So let's get started, man. So number one, as soon as. As soon as means যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব. So learn English as soon as you can. যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব ইংরেজি শিখুন. Okay? It will be help in our long run. এটা আমাদের ভবিষ্যতে সাহায্য করবে। So number two, as far as means যত দূর সম্ভব. So I will teach you as far as I can. So আমি আপনাদের শেখাবো যত দূর সম্ভব. So number three, as much as যত বেশি সম্ভব. So speak as much as you can. বলুন যত দূর যত বেশি সম্ভব. So number four, as long as যতক্ষণ. Okay, try to speak as long as you can. বলুন যতক্ষণ আপনি চান, বলার চেষ্টা করুন. Number five, as well as একই সাথে অথবা এবং. So well as well as একই সাথে. So how can you make sentences? As long as একই সাথে. So I learn English as well as I teach. আমি ইংরেজি শিখি এবং একই সাথে শেখাই. Number six, as good as বলতে গেলে. So as good as I'm not good in English. বলতে গেলে আমি ইংরেজিতে ভালো না. So how was I? Let me know. So the end of advanced class, and how was the class? Let me know. So have a great day. See some other time and share it on your Facebook so that most of you can be benefited anyway. So share it on your brothers, your sister, your cousins, your colleague, your neighbor, or it can be anyone. So and you have to make sentences. Okay, if you are not make sentences, you can't do anything. You can't improve your English. So, okay, so have a good day. See you some other time. Bye. See you some other time. Bye.